In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stake Solana on Kraken Pro, so if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Kraken is currently offering up to 75 euros or dollars for new users, so all you need to do is create an account with the link I will leave on the description below, or you can also use my invite code. And after that, you should see a window with some requirements you need to do. So you will usually need to deposit 100 or 200 euros and then trade them, which can be just converting them from one crypto to another. And after you have completed the task, you will automatically get money directly on your Kraken wallet and you can withdraw it to your bank account whenever you want. Then you can keep inviting more friends, so you will get up to 75 euros for you and every friend you invite to Kraken. So don't forget to join Kraken with the link in the description below. So this is very easy and it will allow you to earn a small percentage of your Solana on completely autopilot. So you will basically leave your money at your wallet on this staking feature and you will be earning more Solana every day. So you have to go to Kraken Pro. If you are not here yet, you need to click this icon and you will find the different Kraken platforms. So you might probably be here, so you just need to click on Kraken Pro. Now, once you are here, you need to click on Earn and you will find your different coins you have. And right here, you will find the different coins you have and how you can stake them. So for example, right now we are looking for Solana, and as you can see, we will get from 2 to 5% estimated APY. So if we click right here, we can see that if we want to get 5% staking, you will need to bond your money for 3 days. So this basically means that you will have your money locked for 3 days, and after that you can withdraw it whenever you want. And then we also have this other option that will offer a lower API, and then we also have this option which is flexible, which means that you won't have any bonding period, so it's flexible and you can withdraw whenever you want. Your money won't be locked, but this will offer a lower APY. So in my case, I want to use this option, so I will just need to click on stake right here. Then this is the amount of Solana I can stake, because I only have like $2 worth of Solana. This is just a test, and as you can see, you will get paid once every week and you will have your money locked for 3 days. So we can just review, confirm, and now every week you will be getting paid those Solana with that small interest. So right here we can see our next payout date, and that's it. Now if we go to portfolio and go to earn, we can see the total value of the money we have on stake, and we can see our rewards. If you scroll down, you will find staking and you will have all the details right here. Whenever you want, you can click on unstake and you can withdraw the money. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.